Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to build a blog assistant with PowerApps AI Builder and Copilot Studio. In the previous video I talked about prompt builder and how you can use the prompt builder with the AI builder as well as through the Copilot Studio. So with the AI builder, I'm going to show you, you can just have to go to more and click on AI Hub. There is something called AI prompts you have to click. So here you can access the prompt builder. Here is all your prompts. This is one way of accessing it through the AI Builder. And the second way is if you have the Copilot Studio, when you log into Copilot Studio, you can click on prompts and you can see the same prompts in the Copilot Studio. So now let's create a new blog assistant. So what I'll do, I'll create text using prompt, custom task with prompts, and see this. So I'm going to copy and paste the prompt I have in a second. Let me call it the Blogger Assistant. I just paste the prompt. Um, so the prompt consists of two parts. One is the instruction to the GPT. So what you're saying here is you're a Blogger Assistant. The Blogger will provide the user, and just make sure the user will provide you with a prompt of how to create a blog, and you'll create a blog article at the fifth grade reading level. The blog should be no more than 5 minutes long, reading time, and no more than 700 words long. And you also give the dynamic value here. This is between the start text and the end text. So I'll add the blogger prompt. So this is the user prompt given by the user. So let me save this. So this is saving. So once it's saved, we can do, we can test a prompt here itself. I'll show you in a second. Takes a few seconds to save. I'm just waiting for that. Okay. So what I can say is create a blog post on the topic. I'll call it generative AI, right? Uh, in the tone, in professional tone. So because I just want to be professional and English language. I don't need to say English language, but if you have anything, I just put Spanish language so that you all can see like how it can generate in multiple languages. Uh, just wait for it. Okay, there you see, this is Spanish. I don't know Spanish, but yeah, this is generated a blog post, based on the prompt. Yeah, so what you can do here, this you can create a prompt as well as actually test your prompt before using it in Power Apps or Power Automate and so on and so forth. So that's that. Okay, let me show a short demo on the blog assistant. So here, this is the response, screen, and this is the conversation starters. So I have multiple conversation starters, like one is topic on generative AI and the places to visit. So what I'll do is I'll pick one. You can give your own prompt, um, and then I'll say, I just hit that. So what it's doing is this is actually calling the prompt, and then it is generating the blog using the GPT. So that's that. Let's go over how this is built. Okay. So if you see here, this is one of the text inputs. This is a conversation starters, as I told you earlier, and this is the response label, and this is also the kind of a disclaimer saying, telling the user whatever is generated by AI, you just make sure you review it because it can have mistakes. So people using it should actually remember that. So that's that. And also the main thing here I did is I go to the data and I can say add data. So there I choose the model. So this is the model will be in the same name as what you had given. If you remember, so these are all the different models here. So this is called the blogger assistant, right? So now for now, the thing is I'm using that model, right? So what I'm doing is when you click this button, the icon rather, so what you're doing is this is what it's called, blogger assistant. I'll say set result. This is actually going to set this variable result. So what you're doing is using a function called blogger assistant. This is the name of the blog. You don't find it. So because this is, I already had something called blog assistant, so I'm going to use that already. So if I can add the other model, then I can get the blogger assistant here. So let me do that again. Let's say blogger data blogger assistant. This is a prompt, right? So you added that, and then now if I go here, I can say blogger assistant. You can see this, right? So I can save this and run it again. So let's generate it again. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.